Yes, good morning children. Welcome back to our science class. Yes, today we are going to start a new blog on water. Okay, and today's our topic is local sources of water. Okay children, once you can tell me, when you're feeling thirsty, when you're feeling very thirsty, what you will do? Yes, we will go and drink some water. Okay, we will go and drink some water. Where did you get this water from? Water for drinking? Yes, you will drink water in the take the fridge and you can drink some water, right? Yes. And today we are going to discuss the topic about the uses of water. Okay, today's our topic is uses of water. Okay, and see here children, note down the keywords: common, unique, uses, running tap water, thirsty. Once again see the keywords: common, unique, uses, running tap water and thirsty. Okay children, now tell me, why do we all need water? Yes, we all need water. Why? Yes, we all need water for daily purpose, daily to do daily activities. We need water. Yes, okay. Can you tell me some common uses of water? Common uses of water. Yes, can you tell me some common uses of water? Yes, for drinking purpose. For washing clothes, for bathing, for cooking, for watering the plants, right? Yes, these are the some common uses of water, right? Drinking, washing clothes, and bathing, cooking, watering plants. These are the some common uses of water. And now, can you tell me some unique uses of water? Unique means something different. Okay, unique means something different. We are using water in any different ways. Yes, can you tell me? Yes, we are using in different ways also. Okay, unique uses of water. Yes, nowadays we are making a lot of fun with water, like water rides and for making ice and skating, ice skating, and any other. That's it. And to wash the toys. Yes, these are the some unique uses of water. Now means we are using water in different ways to water rides. In the, nowadays we are going to the some water sports like what you can say, some water sports and ice skating and so many in different ways. To filling up the balloons also, we are using water. Yes, filling up the balloons. Yes, these are the some unique uses of water and these are the common uses of water. Okay children, now you can tell me how we are using the water in your home, in the kitchen and bathroom. Yes, mostly we can use the water mostly in the kitchen and bathroom only. In the kitchen, we will use for cooking and washing the vessels, wash the utensils and for cleaning anything. Yes, for drinking purpose also. Most of the water we can use in the kitchen. In the bathroom also. Yes, for washing clothes and for bathing and to flush the toilets. Yes, in that way we are using most of the water in kitchen and bathrooms only. These are the things that keep us healthy. Yes, these are the things that keep us healthy and clean. Yes, Things like ice skating and swimming are unique ways, and swimming and ice skating are the unique ways we are using, because we use the water for fun only. Yes, those are the unique ways, and those in that ways we are using water for fun only. Those are not the common uses, those are the unique uses of water. Okay. Okay children, now you can tell me, how does your family use water differently in summer and winter season? Is there any difference between the uses of water in summer and winter? Can you tell me? Yes, we can. Most of the families use water more in the summer season only, because in the summer season the climate is very hot. So most of the people will take bath so many times in the summer season, and they feel very thirsty in the summer season due to the climate effect. So they drink more water also. But in the winter season the climate is very cold, so they drink very less water. Yes. And yes children, that is about the topic of uses of water. Okay. Yes children, now you can open your content book. Local sources of water. Uses of water. People use water at home for many things. They drink water when they are thirsty. They cook, bath and wash with the water every day. In the summer, when the sun feels very hot, people cool themselves with water. They also use water to make ice for cool drinks. People use water for fun too. Water is used in fountains and swimming pools. Plants also need water. People water their plants at home. Farmers use water to grow plants that give us food. Animals also need water to drink and bath. Here you can see the images children. These are the uses of water. Water for drinking, water for washing dishes, and water for cooking, water for the crops to grow. Yes children, these are the main uses of water. Okay. Yes, children, now you can open your volume. S1, uses of water. Complete the word web by writing uses of water. Okay, water is used for, you can complete the word web. And see the second question. A, list 3 common and 3 unique uses of water at school. Okay, you have to write the 3 common uses and 3 unique uses. And see the B question. Why are these uses of water known as unique? See the question once again. Why are these uses of water known as unique? See the third question. Why would a family use 15 buckets of water in the summer but only 10 buckets in the winter? See the question once again. Why would a family use 15 buckets of water in the summer but only 10 buckets in the winter? Okay children, read the content book and complete the volume. Thank you children.